guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my special guest that's been here about 4 times, 4 or 5, I don't know. I won't ask him because he's probably forgotten as well, but yeah, so it's just him and I today, and it's quiet in our house because our kids, they go and do their own thing. We only got one child here right now, yeah, and my mum and my sister. So it's just us two. We thought we'll do you guys another mukbang and say hello.
Kia ora and hello, and it's nice to be back. And to my cookie friends out there, I'd like to kia ora kia manuia. Noko ni ako te ka metangi te tātou me tuatua te tuatau ki a arawe tātou. Mea tau pāi te taime ki a ka metangi tātou te atua. Mea e mau ki te au pako metangi kato toa. Sau i a hoki te mana e te kakā ki aia.
So what he said is time to eat. I don't know what he said, but anyway. So our drink today, anyway, just to let you guys know, it's lemonade made with Kangen water. It's cordial with Kangen water. And today's food is, we have tiger prawns, Australian tiger prawns, and we have barbecue pork and the Chinese cabbage, and that's roasted pork. And of course it's jasmine rice. We got the lettuce there because that's what my husband wanted, and the cucumber, and he's added in his last night's boiled fa'i. That's green bananas and some yellow bananas because you know he's Cook Islander, so they like to eat sweet
and sour.
Yin and yang, sweet and sour. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we just called. Let your cord. So anyway, gotta do a quick prayer, guys, and then we'll get back to eating. Okay. Cheers, guys. So for today, I got us some plastic plates. So after I can throw it out, I want to get me a lettuce. Excuse me. Get me 2 lettuce. So I can make me a wrap. So it's a wrap, guys. I could have got the prawns that's already been shelled, but I thought don't take away the fun of shelling them. Plus my husband likes to shell them. Yeah, got this crunchy pork. I don't know how crunchy the skin is now, guys. We also got the sauce for the barbecue pork. Excuse those who don't like pork, that don't eat pork. Oh, I thought that was a crunchy of the pork. I thought, oh, it's crunchy. No, it's cucumber. Wow. Oh. Mga love your chopstick, go by the chopstick. Like me, professional. No. Anyway, do you remember this guy's meant to do the moonwalk, guys? Explain yourself. Explain yourself, Mr. Tangaroa.
Well, sorry, I can't do the moonwalk. Too old for that. Maybe 5-10 years ago, maybe. But incidentally, I had my birthday last week on Tuesday. Tuesday was the 25th, and my brother-in-law, Miltena, he had his one on the 12th. So if you're watching, bro, happy birthday. I know it's a bit late, but I was thinking about you.
Oh,
And always my sister.
I'll get it. Sorry, bro.
I miss you, sis. I miss you and I love you. I hope everything is okay. And because of these restrictions, we couldn't get to you or meet somewhere like the islands.
I'll give me some Chinese cabbage. How's everyone been? I know, look at me not talking because I just want to focus on my food. When we went shopping today, we got us oxtail, fastball masima. It's body masima, guys. There's like called silverside. And what else did we get? Flounders.
New Zealand flounders.
New Zealand flounders. I'll bring this over here. Closer to me.
It's not good through.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Pass the fork, please.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so we got some New Zealand flounders. I like the yellowbacks. They all taste the same when it's cooked, but I still like the yellowbacks. I don't know what flounder you guys like. Probably yellowback. I don't know.
I like the yellow belly ones.
Ah, yes, yellow belly. Look at him trying to undercover shade me, eh? Yellowbacks. So they must turn around and show their stomach for their backs. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, 1 point for him. Yellowbacks. Was I talking about the redback? Yeah, I don't know what I was talking about, guys. Focusing on my food. Anyway, what is this? Oh, from the floor. Anyway, nice to put it in there. We gotta stop kneading like this. Yeah, I'll pull it. Pull. Yeah, they didn't chop it right off. I think they wanted to keep it together so they can hang out. I want to find some crunchy ones. I'll be watching on YouTube how to make really crunchy pork, guys. And I think I mastered it. I made some the other day. Hey, Garner, do you think it was nice? Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Crunchy.
Crunchy. And tasty too. Very moist.
It's cooked al dente.
You're al dente. Hey, rice, come to me. We. Anyway, see, this is the fun part about it. You can make all your little bits and pieces, put it together, and eat. And the sauce here, then comes with the pork. Nice. Really tasty. Excuse me. Wait. That sauce is good.
Nice sauce, yeah.
Yeah, so this guy has moonwalked. See, that's when I first met him, he said he can do the moonwalk. Now I've never ever seen him do the moonwalk.
Because I can't do it.
My wife is better to me. Trying to feel out late to me, that's why I aku lama pa may
It's nice.
No.
Pork,
Oh
sauce,
yeah.
the lettuce.
Yeah. I'll give me some more prawns. Guys, do you like prawns with the shell or without the shell? I like with the shell. But if it's something like chowder, yeah, I want without no shell. Is that what I was supposed to say? Without no shell, yeah. Yep, one prawn. Gotta get them done. So, you know, peel it. After you peel it, and then you eat it. Then you enjoy. We were at the table this morning. Before we went out, we were talking about aitataki. And they were talking about our lovely day trip that we took, and because we went over to see his family. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better tell that story, because then you know who you're talking about, because I don't.
2016
I don't know.
Yeah.
15 or 16?
or 14. Anyway,
See, we both got dementia.
yeah, we went back to the garden. Thanks to my wife. She insisted that we
Thanks
go
to
back.
God.
Yeah. So I always talk about going back, but never really went back.
Yeah, you said it before, Daddy.
So she said we're going, and she went and paid the fare, and we went. We were just going to go to Raro for 2 weeks and then come back. But when we were there, I found the phone number to my cousin Teto and his wife Kokutai. So I gave him a ring. Just to wish them, it was Christmas time. Just to wish them the best for the Christmas and that. So I just chucked it out there and I said, oh, I want to come. What if
The
You know.
prawns eye.
we come over? This is what my cousin said to me. Bro, you don't ask to come home. If you want to come home, you come home. You just tell me when you're getting here and how many people, and I'll be at the airport to pick you up. So I said, okay, 2 days time, I'm coming home. So 2 days time, we flew over, and sure enough, he was at the airport waiting for us and pick us up. He doesn't live far from the airport. Just,
About a 2-minute drive.
yeah, I think it's the second house when you come off the airport, the runway. I think it's the second house. That's where he lives.
Don't tell people over there, though. There's a second house, guys.
Yeah. So we went over. Took us around like the ducky. Went to meet some of my family. Yeah. My father's siblings. This is how I remember them. I don't know if this is the right order, but my auntie Totai was the firstborn, and then my dad, Tuikura, and then after that, Auntie Omate, and Auntie Omate is Auntie Tutana, and after Auntie Tutana is, who's the other one? Auntie Tourette, and after Auntie Tourette is Auntie Kapatiao, and then the last one is Auntie Kopo.
Mata's mum.
No, Matai's mom is the second kapatiao.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Well, I have some best friends, and her name is Mata. She passed away, my dear friend did. And that's his auntie's daughter. Yeah. I met her before I met him. We've been close for years and years. Yeah, and we went over to see one of his dad's sister. Hey. Which one was that one?
Auntie Turech.
Turechi.
Nikopala.
Yeah, and she looks like his dad. I was looking at her face and I was smiling because it's like when she's talking, it's like, you know, his dad talking. And then we met her daughter, Naomi. You can tell she's like very clever. She's nice and friendly, eh?
Hi guys. I don't know if you can remember, but it was, yeah, I think 2014.
She might not be watching. But just in case, oh.
I remember the mom sent her outside to get some passion fruit off the ground. It just
Sweet too.
Yeah, passion fruit and what was it? They had tomatoes around there and the mangoes, but she put some passion fruit over. That was nice. Anyway, after Teto took us around the island, he said, "Oh, what are we doing tomorrow?" I said, "Oh, nothing." Anyway, while we were at my auntie, Tito's wife's brother was there, and he had a boat.
They live next door.
No, they don't.
Oh, they don't?
No.
Well, where did they come from? They were in the house next door.
Yeah, because
They're visiting.
yeah,
Oh,
he was visiting some.
the neighbours.
Yeah, the friend next door.
Oh, all that time I thought they lived next door.
No. So when they saw us there, they came over, and we met them and we talked for a bit, and then they don't mention about the boat. And I said, "Oh, you got a boat?"
What's his name again?
Takapuna.
Takapuna.
Yeah. Captain Tack, we call him. And he said, "Oh, about the boat."
Do you remember his wife's name?
No, I can't remember the wife's
Yeah,
name.
she was easy going, that one.
Yeah. So he said that if we got nothing to do tomorrow, he'll take us out to the motus. So I said, "Oh yeah, that'll be a good idea. Why not?" So, and he said, "But the only problem is, I don't have petrol." That's the only problem.
Oh.
It didn't took me long. I just got some money out, gave him some money for the petrol and for his time. I think it was a couple of $200.
Yeah, 200, I think.
Yeah, $200 for the petrol and some for him. And he said, "Okay, for sure now. We're going out tomorrow. We'll leave the wharf about 8 o'clock. So about 7 o'clock,
We were ready.
we were ready and take the food, and Tito's wife prepared some food to take, some moinatai, some breadfruit and taro and lemons. So we went, and along the way we chucked some lines over the boat and we throw. And yeah, and
Got some power too.
yeah, this one caught some fish. I didn't.
Yeah, you always sit there.
And we stopped a bit before we got to the motu. We stopped a bit, and Takapuna went overboard and with a spear gun and caught us some fish and some powers and
You went over.
yeah, I just went for a
You
swim.
and your brother out here.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay.
That was another time.
Yeah.
Oh, but no, that was the right.
Oh, there was time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So me and my brother just went on a reef, get some powers, and then pass it to Kokuta in a boat, and she shelled the powers and cleaned them, and then we had enough, so we hopped back in a boat and carry on to the motu. We went to One Foot Island. This place they always go there. Takapuna. There's a little hut there. There's a toilet there, and.
Well, that wasn't exactly One Foot Island. We left One Foot Island and then we went to a little island.
No, there was One Foot Island. On the other side of One Foot Island.
Oh. What?
Remember, we came around the corner and...
I don't know.
Yeah.
I was just enjoying the ride.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And the water was beautiful. The water was nice.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Papa was warm, eh? Really warm.
So we went there and cleaned our fish. And Kuputai fire up the burner, start frying us some and some raw fish. It was really, it was really nice. I mean, can't get any fresher than that. The paua, we had the paua, the maito, all this sort of fish.
And the pepokalo.
And the pepokalo, the uru. Yeah. So we had a good day out. And then
People salad, yum, best, yummy.
It was a nice day. And yeah, so after a while, I had a swim and we came back. But when we came back, we stopped to another motu, put the net out, try and get some fish. But we didn't catch much fish, but that was alright because we already had some fish. Takapuna had speared a lot of fish. So, and there was leftovers too. The paua, the fish and that. And we came back and...
Yeah, it was a nice day.
It was a nice day.
Best day, nice.
And
the day was beautiful, the food was beautiful, and the company was beautiful.
And I think it was 2017, I took two of my daughters because
and it was really, really hot.
Hope graduated because I told her if she graduates from school, I'll take her for holiday.
Yeah, our daughter.
So we went back and again I rang my dad up
and he said, oh, not you again.
And then we went over. Same thing, we went on the motor again. And then the barbecue, it was really nice.
Yeah, my daughter said they really enjoyed it. So thank you, Teto. Thank you, Kupatai.
Thank you.
Really, really, your hospitality is always warmth. Warm and kind. We were planning to go back in June. We had paid our fare and stuff. And then the COVID hit. So we couldn't make it. A whole lot of us are stuck, can't go anywhere. And yeah, we were planning, we're gonna go and we're gonna visit Aitataki again. It was so good. It was worth going again and again and again. But you gotta have again and again and again money. Have you had one? How dare he didn't do his moonwalk?
Sorry guys, forgive the old man for being too old to do the moonwalk.
Never did the moonwalk up yet. Not even as a young person. Because I don't think Michael Jackson was doing the moonwalk when you were a teenager, eh?
No way.
No. He was probably practicing his singing, Michael Jackson. You know, I wasn't really into Humperdinck. It's a Humperdinck until I met my husband. He likes listening to Humperdinck. Am I even saying it right?
Yep.
Beautiful voice. He will be him, Humperdinck, John Rolls,
Tom Jones.
Tom Jones, Elvis, but Elvis first. They all got like similar voices, and one of my dad's favourite, Richard Parker's. No, what's his, what's that Samoan guy? Something Parker.
Tom Parker?
No.
No, that's Elvis's manager. That's the colonel.
Stop it. Don't go over there. We're talking about Samoans.
I know Richard Parker is the son.
Is Richard Parker's son?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well Richard Parker's son. Richard Parker's dad.
Yeah.
That was one of my dad's favourite. Now he's in that category of those beautiful voices, the Humperdinck, Tom Jones, Elvis, Ray Malesi.
John Ross.
John Rolls, the handsome John Rolls. I think my husband trying to copy John Rolls here. Yeah, anyway. One of Humperdinck's song is what, darling?
I remember now. There's so many, I can't remember one. Engelbert Humperdinck.
Yeah. Oh, there's the song that I love of his. I can't remember. You know what? We're getting too old, guys. So if you guys remember any song of Engelbert Humperdinck, I hope I'm saying it right. Yeah, put it down, guys. Put it down. Lucky we don't remember the song, because my husband will start singing it soon. You know? Hey, Daddy.
What?
If you remember the song.
I'm not gonna sing anything.
No.
I don't want to get in trouble again.
You're not a team player, are you?
No, you might tell me to sing for the viewers.
I sing for the viewers. Sorry about that, guys. I know. Sometimes I think I'm Mariah Carey, but out of fire. Don't mean to hurt your fellas' ears. Orange fruit is lovely. Blessed. You're so blessed.
Thank you for watching us. It's sad, but thank you. Sorry, came out the wrong way.
You're sad. He's sad for even saying that. Cool, yeah? Making me kata. I'm peeling my prawns and I'm thinking, what's this little, get back down there. Oh, I can't remember. See, you know when you remember something but you can't remember it? So it takes you about a couple of hours just to try and come up with the name, and then you remember it like 2 days later. Well, now I'm thinking, what's Humperdinck song? Oh well, never mind. Gotta focus on my food. Anyway, here guys, prawn. No, I was just eating away, not even sharing. Oh, what's that? Was that a pork or cucumber?
Cucumber.
Oh, I thought you found a crunchy pork again. The prawns are really salty. Is it because it's salty because they salt the water?
The what?
The prawn. When they cook it, when they boil it. Oh.
It's salt of water.
No, I thought it was the natural salt. Oh wow. These Chinese cabbages are lovely. You dip it in the sauce. Oh yeah. See? Dip dip in the sauce, and you eat it. Delicious. Because the sauce is sweetie. The rice is nice too. Good, mate.
Yeah. Al dente.
Oh well, there's a little bit left. Yeah, guys, there's this Facebook page called Poly Mama Community, and it's all like polys go on there, and they share stories and fun stuff about themselves or about their children. And yeah, so if you don't know about the page, it's created by sisters. Yes, and they also, well, they were doing a YouTube channel, their YouTube channel, and yeah, and it's good too. They're all beautiful, you know. And on this Poly Mama Community Facebook page, you can go and share there, share a joke. You can even share a joke about your husband, because we all we have that things, we have a lot in common, us mothers, yeah. Anyway, so you can share the happy, you can share the sadness, and you can also share the annoying. You can also share things that's, you know, happening currently in life. So there's one lady who had put up a story about her daughter. The mum's name is Sincere Mapalangi Funaki, and her daughter's name is Talahiva. And yeah, the story goes like this, that she took her daughter to school, and her daughter had like a bit of makeup on, you know, just foundation. So she asked her daughter why she got it on, you know. And she said that she wanted to look pretty like the other girls at school. And so her mum must have questioned a little bit more, and it said that those girls wouldn't let her play with, wouldn't let her play with them, join in with them. So I think she just wanted to feel pretty. See, the thing is, I seen a picture of her. She's not even ugly, but you know, we never know how we all feel, how kids feel, their insecurity because someone sort of like said something mean to them or picked on them. So I just wanted to say to Talahiva, I saw your picture, and a whole lot of us on Poly Mama Community don't agree with how you were thinking, because you're really beautiful, you know. So you always got to remember that. Always remember that you are beautiful, because there's only one of you. Yeah, those other girls, if they don't want you to play with them, then they miss out. But you can always, you know, make up friends with them another time. It's just getting to know one another. But Talahiva, you keep shining, girl. You just be happy. You just know that you're beautiful, okay? And your mum will tell you that as well. But I just wanted to say a big shout out to Talahiva and her mum, Sincere. And thank you, Sincere, for sharing that story on our Poly Mama Community, because that was really touching, because we all know, we all feel it, because we have children too, and if someone was, you know, like being mean to our kids, we would also feel hurt. So we were feeling the pain as well, you know. So I just want to say something. Us parents, when we send off our kids to school, I'm telling you, with the influences of other kids, you know, they can also do something like that's not normally in their nature, to be like mean. So we encourage our kids, guys, to, you know, always be nice to the other kids. Yeah, so my husband said that there was this lady at his job that mentioned that she'd seen him on my videos. What did you say, darling?
I said thank you.
Did you say like and subscribe and...
No.
Hey. Anyway, this food is so lovely. My son saw me preparing this. He doesn't live with us. He had come over to do some tidy up around the house. But he's like that. When he wants a bit of pocket money, he'll come and tidy up. The sad thing about it is he wants some pocket money, but he'll pay it back. So it's up to this guy over here to like cut it in half maybe, you know, just to thank our son for, because when he cleans up he does a really good job. Hey.
Yep.
Yeah. We got another son that does the same too. When they clean, they're clean machines. Hey.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Because when my husband gives money to my kids, I always try and tell them, let them off, they're your kids. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry.
Anyway, guys, you what?
You should leave the bloopers in.
No.
After, not before.
No. You're telling me to leave the bloopers on because I dropped my chopstick. I dropped my chopstick.
Anyway, thanks for hanging out with us. It was nice food and nice company.
Thank you, darling.
And
And you guys too. Yeah. See, you guys kept us company while we ate our food. Sorry that we didn't send you guys some before we ate, so we can eat together. But I'm sure you guys ran and got something to eat, so you guys can join. Because sometimes when I'm watching Mukbang, I regret it. Because I'm full, and I start watching and I think, oh well, I'm full, I'm alright. Then I'm watching and I'm watching them eat, watching them, and I start getting hungry like I never ate. So I'll pause it, run inside, make me a sandwich, run back out with a Milo or a coffee, and then I'll just push play and go, yeah, I'm prepared now. Yeah, because you gotta have a bit of snack while you're watching mukbangs, because people make you hungry. Anyway, it's so good to have you guys join us, and someone that didn't do the moonwalk joined as well. Thank you, Tangaroa.
thank you.
For joining me and joining us. And I hope you guys are all well. I hope your families are well. And I hope you guys are still trying to stay safe out there, because we don't know when it's going to stop. You know, so we can get on the plane. Oh, we're going to Pizza.